I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance.
Day 4 in Kuala Lumpur. I am checking out Lot 10 shopping center. And let's just see what this place is about, because so many people told me that shopping is amazing and cheap in Kuala Lumpur. So I was like, okay, I don't want to shop, but I actually want to see and show you all what is there to shop. That's nice. And if it's actually cheap or not. They have so much Shin-chan stuff, guys. This is so cute. It's hard. That's why I don't enter shopping malls, because I end up liking things and then I know I should not be buying it, but I end up buying it. I just saw my favorite store. If you're flying down Korea, you have to go there, and if you're buying souvenirs specifically, go there. It's the best place, best place. I got this little cover with a bracelet from this store. Both of these were 64 ringgit, which is $20.
I just wanna clap, clap.
I think in Malaysia as well, the food courts are really nice. So I'm going to this place called Oriental Kopi, which is in this shopping center called Pavilion, and it is apparently really good, one of the top places to eat, and it is in a food court. And see how busy it is. Let's see if I can get a table or not, because it looks like there's this bloody queue again. And by the way, I found this place on TikTok. So if you are still not using TikTok for research, what are you doing, guys? Because you find really good stuff over there, especially food recommendations. That's what I love about that. Okay, we got in, just had to wait a little bit, but let's check out the menu and order some food. They're really famous for the egg tarts, so if they're into that, we'll try that. Let's see how I feel after having lunch, then I'll decide if I want egg tarts or not. Oh, these are their signature dishes. That looks so good. I think I'm going to go with the laksa. So the laksa has arrived. In Thailand, I fell in love with these drinks, the plum drinks. So I really want to try it again. I have been looking for it, but here is the first place that I found. This is lemon and plum. So you get such a nice flavor. Let's see what is in here. So this is shredded chicken. I can see an egg. I don't know what this is. These are fish cakes. There's some beans and laksa noodles. It's been such a long time since I had laksa. This used to be one of my favorite things to eat in Sydney. And I used to go to this place called Paparich. Just fabulous Malaysian food. But it's very, very thick and heavy. So good, just so good. Let's try this.
Oh, I forget you.
Yeah, so the noodles are very firm. Noodles are nice and firm, not overdone.
Okay.
And it feels like the broth has been absorbed in the noodles.
That sounds really good then.
King.
I like it. I want something seafood then.
So since Tahira and I loved yesterday's walking tour, there was another one that the same guide Hakim was taking today, which is the night tour, and it includes some food spots and a bar as well. We thought, why not join it? It's also free, and I just chatted with Hakim and I was like, okay, I want to go. He said there are 10 people coming in. You're most welcome to join. And here we are. That's him. He's here.
How are you doing, Paige?
And we are back in Chinatown. This is the place you come to if you want to eat.
You see that there's a Portuguese bakery above there. Usually open on the weekends. So therefore, the government passed a very specific law 10 years ago where you're not allowed to serve durians and alcohols at the bar at the same time. For that reason, we're not going to try
Interesting. I had no idea. We just came here. We were there, and this is another Hindu temple right next to the Chinese temple, which is beautiful. It's called Sri Maha Mariamman Temple in Kuala Lumpur. And we are not wearing the right clothes for a temple.
I wasn't expecting a temple vibe.
Yeah, I didn't read the description. Okay.
There you go.
Okay. Okay. we were not ready for our temples, but they give saris, so which is nice. And oh my god, this is so beautiful. And we're back to Petaling Street, and at night it looks so lively. This is like the place you come for like cheap shopping. You want to buy fake goods, you come here. We've reached our first food spot.
Do you have any dietary allergies? Nothing. Nothing. Super. You'll be my free walking tour. All the food is free. You just have to pay for the drinks, okay? Hands up, you vegan, vegetarian.
What's that? Nasi.
Nasi goreng kampung.
No.
It traditionally has anchovies, which makes it the style of flavor. And the vegetarian has mock meat or tofu, essentially.
This is so yum. So much better than morning glory. More of this. I love this fried rice.
The flavors are very nice.
I never thought like greens could be so good.
Parkway Town. All the good stuff. It's one of my all-time favorite foods in the world. It's Malaysian Chinese. There'll be a vegetarian one coming soon, okay?
This is satay. That's how it looks. You know the best way to experience a city and to know about it is through food, right?
Oh, I was gonna say friends.
No.
Oh, this is so bad. Please don't put that.
That's Chun. He's from Hanoi. Hanoi. Wendy
Okay, watch
from
out, watch
Hanoi
out,
as
watch out, watch
well.
out.
Rainy from Ho Chi Minh City. And we are on a food tour.
Two.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, maybe that
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Everyone.
What I was saying that the best way to experience a city or a place is through food, and we are here in a food tour with Hakim and these amazing people and some super amazing food. Not so amazing, Akanksha. So this has like jelly, pandan jelly, ice, corn, beans, and peanuts.
So all same ingredients.
Okay, let's record it. So this place that we were at, it's called Ray Power Corner. This one right here.
Sanitizer. Okay. Yeah, pass it amongst yourselves. Yeah, help set out.
The brown one.
One more. This is called longan. Longan means cat's eyes. Now look at what the stem is. Just chip it just like that. And there should be a black seed inside, okay? Now, when you're done eating the fruit, you can chuck the black seed and shell in this blue basket, okay? Or should I say?
Very nice. Okay, that's a weird one.
Two. Who's missing? Yep, and the
Looks like it. And then, no, it smells like slight durian.
It's like durian's cousin or something.
Some would say like a shy pineapple. Say shy onion, would say. Shy garlic. Okay.
I don't know what I feel about this. And that is Carmen, my friends. She used to live here. And that's a hidden bar, which is not so hidden anymore. Baiju. This street is stunning. It's called Demon Alley, but I don't know the actual name. So I hope you find it. If not, then good luck. I think I like it more during the night than the day.
Inside you have a fake karaoke place. Surprise, upstairs is another hidden bar to play live music on the weekends. This place is called G-String.
Like, that's fun. Fake karaoke bar. Whoa. This is the hidden bar. No. Inside. Oh, we just did a tour.
And there's the bar with a beer as cheap as €3. I wonder what a street that is.
Where?
Did you just?
He just left. Okay, I have no idea where we're going, but. Oh, so cute.
Cozy.
Cheers, 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 cheers.
This is the Tua passion fruit martini, right? It's like a porn star martini, but instead of prosecco, this is the rice wine.
Ah, so cool. Cheers. Cheers.
I want